things are absolutely pumping here in crypto land. This is the time period where it's no sleep season because you don't want to miss any of these trades. And in crypto, just a few simple trades and conviction can transform your life. So that's why like and subscribe. We're going to bring these to you daily, the altcoins that look good, not that I've already ran up and then you're wondering, oh, should I buy in now? Should I not? Like some of the calls we've given on this channel, I'm going to show you what looks good right now. So jumping into today's chart, we have Bonk. And Bonk is an altcoin that is not yet taken off. It's not VeChain, which has pumped like 40% today. This is one that has the capabilities of doing that, but it looks like it's setting up for a nice move. So let's go into breakdown here and why. Well, we have the awesome oscillator is flipping back to bullish. This is the daily chart. More importantly, the structure here. We have been in a downtrend, a downtrend, and now we've broken this downtrend. We made a higher high here, but we've made this higher high on top of our yearly open. So really, really bullish. You've seen a lot of these setups where alts have been in this downtrend, they've got back above and they've reclaimed their yearly open, and then this is where they rock it. But the setup, we can look for confluence with this setup with a lot of factors. If we can get an entry down here at yearly open and target even this high up here, that's the 34% move. If we went back to all-time highs, you're looking at a huge 162% move on Bonk. And when meme coins start running, the hype behind these things is huge. Let's look at the RSI. You can see a really, really nice cool off here. The RSI, we had this huge initial run up where the RSI got overbought and we had to cool back down. We cool back down when we get to the 50 level, and the 50 level is the pivotal point where we know, is the momentum dead now? Are we going to break that down below here and we're going to have bearish momentum, or are we going to come back down here for the momentum to reset and continue this bullish move? And you see this is happening on multiple time frames, which gives us excellent confidence here. This RSI has come down to reset on the weekly, which means there's a possibility we could have this huge run up again where we get back to this oversold region, which we would exactly want here. Now, when we marry that with multiple time frames, let's go on the 3-day. You can see here, we came back down, the RSI reset on the 50 level, and we had this run up already. And this looks like it's going to continue, because then we break it down to the daily, the exact same thing has happened. You can see here, the momentum was bullish. We get back down below the 50, the momentum's bearish. Try to get back above, we struggle here, bearish momentum again. But we've had this huge run up, and if we can consolidate on top of this 50 level, on top of the yearly open, and continue this move up, is exactly what we're looking for here in a bull market. You know, the conditions look excellent, so we're looking for the altcoins that have not yet ran yet. You want to be here and you want to like and subscribe, because this channel is going to bring you these alts, not altcoins showing your attention like, oh, VeChain pumped 40% today. You're just going to make people FOMO in long and VeChain and get wrecked. But if you catch these altcoins and catch these narratives like I'm looking to do and trade into these altcoins that are going to get hype, and then you're going to catch these early, not in a few days time after they've moved. Like I said here, daily looking good, the 12-hour looking good, and 4-hour. So you'd look to see here exactly what happened here. This is just what happens in detail. The momentum's bearish. We get back above this 50 level. Here, we have a strong bullish move, come back down, reset. The momentum resets on the 50 level, and we have this huge run up. Same happens again here. Momentum resets on the 50 level. We do not turn bearish. We do not get back below the 50 level like what happened here. And boom, we continue this move. Bang, we continue this move. So what we're looking for here is to scale into this position. We'd maybe take, not financial advice, 25% in the position here, just in case if it moves, we're not FOMOing long and getting ourselves into bad trades. 50% of our position here, 25 position here, and we'd like to maybe split our positions down to yearly open. Now, if we can get our entry here fully filled, and if we start closing back below this yearly open, perhaps under this impulse candle, we want to be out our position because the momentum's probably turned bearish. The RSIs came down here to cool off, and this is the key moment. We know that we're either going to bump here, have a huge bump and run, and target back to all-time highs. These highs, and honestly, happy days if that happens. We've caught a lot of these bangers already in this channel. And trading is that simple. When you remove yourself from all the FOMO, the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt, and you just take high conviction setups when they occur, then honestly, it can be happy days. So again, let's look at this as a risk versus reward perspective. We're looking to dollar cost averaging down to this position. Let's say our average entry is here, and we are going to close on a higher time frame close below. So it'd be a couple percent. To be safer, stop loss would be down here, 5%. To target, the sky's the limit of these altcoins. 35% move, back to all-time highs, 150. If we were even to put a fib extension on this, let's see, just to show how high these altcoins can go, especially in a bull market. Let's put a fib extension. So take it from the bottom back to the lows. If we were to target new areas, it'd be up here at the 0.00044 to the 5.6, which from our yearly open, these are huge moves. You're talking multiples. So like and subscribe. What alts are you looking at? Is there any new altcoins you'd like me to take a look at? What are you looking to get in on? And we can look for entries. Cheers, guys.